All right, let's look at number 5. It says solve the system using your choice of method. Write your answer as an ordered pair. We have two equations. We have a over 4 plus b over 3 equals 2, and a over 2 minus b equals negative 1. Okay, those are kind of yucky looking, right? We got the fractions in there. Let's use what we know about equations with fractions to get rid of them. Let's multiply the one on the left by a number that is divisible by both 4 and 3. So it's talking about 12. So 12a divided by 4 would be 3a. 12 times b would be 12b divided by 3b plus 4b. And then 12 times 2 equals 24. That looks way nicer to work with. Let's look at the other one here. We've got a over 2 minus b is equal to negative 1. Okay, well, I see denominators of 2 and 1, which means we could just multiply by 2. 2a divided by 2 is going to be just an a. We have 2 times that b would be minus 2b, and 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. All right, let's do some elimination here. I see that a minus 2b equals negative 2. If I want to eliminate the 4b using the negative 2b, I'm going to have to double this negative 2b. So let's multiply all of this times 2, and then I'm going to write it underneath this other equation. So 2 times a is 2a. 2 times negative 2b is that negative 4b that we're looking for. And 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Let's add them together to eliminate. Right? This eliminates our b's, giving us 5a is equal to 20. We'll divide each side by 5, and a equals 4. Now let's plug it back in to figure out what b is. And since I altered my original equations, and I know I did it right, I'm going to go ahead and just use one of these two equations. Let's go ahead, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to say here 3 times my a value, which is 4, plus 4b is equal to 24. That would be 12 plus 4b. We can subtract our 12 to get 4b is equal to 12. And then we divide each side by 4 and we'll get b equals 3. We can check it with the other one. We'll check it with the other one that we had altered there. Actually, let's do it with this one here in case we made a mistake somewhere. Well, heck, you know what? Let's even do it with the original one because those numbers aren't too bad. Let's go all the way up here to this one. Let's do the a over 2 would end up being 4 divided by 2 minus our b value should equal negative 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2, minus 3 is negative 1, and we know that's supposed to equal negative 1, so it's correct. So our answer here, in alphabetical order, 4, 3. That's the point of the solution. All right, that's it for number 5.